Moreau is a year-long orientation course designed to help students make the very best possible transition to life at Notre Dame. It's a really holistic approach that integrates the students' academic experiences with all of the opportunities and experiences they'll find on campus. So it's that kind of whole student approach to the very best first year at Notre Dame.
The Moreau course uses a flip model classroom, which is a really unique classroom model that allows students to read and to view their content before they come into the classroom.
And all 2,000 students were in these 115 sections with the class limit no greater than 19. So the original course founders really wanted to make the class itself, the class meeting time, to be special, where the students would really engage with the instructor and also with each other. So our task was, how do we make sure that the students actually do the reading or watch the videos before class?
So Sakai and ePortfolio have really allowed us to use our digital platform to push content to students before they get to class and allow instructors to review the assessment and improvement of students throughout the course of the semester in a dynamic way. Sakai allows us to use a week-by-week analysis of where students are, ensuring that they're reviewing the material, allowing them to reflect almost in a diary of the materials and how they've progressed as a student from the fall and the beginning of the semester.
And so we're able to pull all this data on how the students are watching videos, how they're reflecting in the portfolios, the Google Analytics of clicking on different readings, and we're able to see a new layer, a new view of the learning that wasn't able to be seen before because the students are coming in this portal and we're capturing their experience, their tracks and their traces. I guess one of the exciting takeaways from this project is that we know how to set up the back-end architecture, the back-end plumbing, to really be able to start serving other large, big courses like the chemistries, the bios, the calcs, the physics. I think there's some lessons to be learned on what works best in that digital learning environment. How can we set up assignments that are not just efficient, but they're also effective and really help students earlier, sooner, better?
I think it's been such an interesting collaboration with people who have backgrounds in teaching theory, people with technological backgrounds, to get a glimpse of how students learn and how they react to material. We saw immediately that if articles and videos were too long, the viewership, the readership drops off. So very early on, we started to understand that there's a sweet spot for length of readings and length of videos, and that's really all thanks to the analytical research of our colleagues in KNEB and OIT.
That's the big takeaway for me, is that I think we have some lessons to be shared, particularly to the large-scale courses on campus.